Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove reduce motion to the accessibility shortcut on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Then we swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility shortcut. Next, we go down and tap on Reduce Motion. Now tap on Reduce Motion to add to the menu or deselect it to remove it from the menu. So I'm going to select it to add it to the menu, and then you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now to open up the accessibility shortcut menu, just triple click on the side button. And from the menu, you can tap on Reduce Motion to toggle it between on and off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.